Hi, in this video we are going to see the permanent assistant professor vacancies notification from one of the state public service commission, and it is assistant professor level 10 category. So the salary is in between 57,700 rupees to 1,82,400 rupees per month. So it will be the wonderful opportunity to the candidates who are looking for the permanent assistant professor vacancies notification who belongs to that domicile only. Okay. And if your job requirements are not there in this video, then please mention your requirement in the comment section. If I got the recruitment notifications which is matching up with your profile, then definitely I will come up in the next video. To get my next video as a notification to your devices, you have to subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. And please watch this video until the end to get the complete details regarding this recruitment notification. Online personalized job consultancies by paying only 100 rupees as a registration fee, and fill up the Google form and the link I kept in the description box of this video. By this method, whatever the jobs you are looking for, those jobs we will search and the job notifications will be directly sent to your registered mail ID. And one more note is that the candidates who are already registered for this one, you need to check your mail IDs regularly. Why? Because my team is sending a lot of recruitment notifications. Before going into the main content of this video, it is a very big announcement and the good news to the UGSNet candidates who are preparing for the examination, which is going to be start from this in this month, October 17th onwards. So here I am conducting the free online live classes, guys. Okay, even though if you miss the live classes, you can go to the recorded one also. For the general paper one, that is the teaching and research aptitude in English, okay, daily evening 5:30, and while coming to the paper 2 electronic science, daily at the afternoon 3 o'clock. And whoever the interested candidates are there, I kept one link in the description box of this video, that is a Telegram group link. So please join in that group link, then you will get the regular updates regarding this free UGSNet online live classes from the Unacademy side. The present content of the video, so it is a Odisha Public Service Commission, and we got this PDF in its official website. So advertisement for recruitment to the post of assistant professor stage 1 released on October 8, okay, 2021. That means 7 days back. And if you click on that one, then you will be directed to the in detailed PDF, guys. And here the candidates who are watching this video, you must have the ODIA knowledge, okay, and up to 10th you studied the ODIA. Fine, then only continue this video, guys, otherwise don't waste your time. So online applications are invited from the prospective candidates through the proforma application to be made on the available in the website itself. And the link for the registration or registration and payment of examination fee shall be available from 26 October to 25th November. And the 3rd December 2021 is the last date for submission of the registered online application for recruitment to 606 post of assistant professor stage 1 in the different disciplines in group A of OES. Okay. And it is a level 10 category of the pay matrix, and the vacancy positions are given here. So you please check the vacancy positions as per your subject. And coming to the disciplines, anthropology, botany, chemistry, commerce, economics, education, English, environmental science, geography, geology, history, logic and philosophy, mathematics, ODF, physics, political science, psychology, sociology, life science and zoology. Fine. So these are the different departments, guys. Total from 20 departments the vacancies are announced here. And the identification of the post is also given as per the physical requirement and the functional classification, so you may check down. And coming to the age limitation, a candidate must not be above 45 years of age and under 21 years of age on the last date of receiving or the submission of online application on 3rd December 2021. Fine. And the upper age limit 5 years for the candidates who belongs to SC, ST, SC, BC and women, and 10 years for person with disabilities whose permanent disability is 40% and more. And educational qualifications, the candidate must have the master's degree with 55% of marks and the concerned or relevant or allied subject from an Indian university, and provided for candidate belonging to scheduled caste or scheduled tribe or SCBC and person with disability categories, the recruitment of securing at least 55% marks shall be reduced to 50% of marks. And apart from this one, the candidate must have the NET qualification must be there, either NET or PhD must be there. Okay, NET or PhD, both these two not required, either NET or PhD hona chahiye. So coming to the application fee, 400 rupees, and candidates belonging to SC, ST of Odisha and person with disabilities are exempted from the payment of the fee. And the conduct of examination, the method of selection is given here. So the direct recruitment to the rank of assistant professor shall be made by the commission on the basis of merit to be judged by the performance in the interview of the eligible shortlisted candidates. And a few more points are given here, and other eligibility conditions are also mentioned. So it is a main point. The candidate must be the citizen of India and should be able to read, write and speak in Odia, and should have passed upper primary examination or its equivalent with Odia as a subject. Okay, and the candidates who are having more than one spouse living will not be eligible for the appointment of this one. And I will provide this PDF link in the description box of this video, so you please once go through all these things very clearly. And to get the accurate and more details, you visit the official website of this one, guys. Then you will come to know all the details very clearly. And please share this video to your friends or colleagues who are having these qualifications. It will be very much helpful to them. And whatever the jobs you are looking for, so please mention your job requirement in the comment section. If you got the recruitment notification which is matching up with your profile, then definitely I will come up in the next video. And to get my next videos, a notification to your devices or the mobile phones, you have to subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. And if you are looking for the online job consultancy, then your mentor also started the online job consultancy, and in the description box of this video one Google form is there. So fill up that form by paying the registration fee 100 rupees. Then whatever the jobs you are looking for, we will directly send those job recruitment notifications to your registered mail ID. Fine. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam, from Unacademy side here one advertisement follows. If you are interested, you may continue this video, guys. Otherwise, you may stop this video by here itself. Thank you. Hi, myself I am Ashwani Kumar, Unacademy educator of Electronic Science as well as the General Paper 1. And all of you know that Unacademy is India's largest learning platform. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET, okay, NTA UGC NET, here the Unacademy is providing the multiple courses for the candidates who are preparing for the NTA UGC NET. So here I am going to show you the list. Actually, the University Grants Commission is conducting every year twice the National Eligibility Test exam for the 81 subjects. So out of the 81 subjects here, for few subjects, Unacademy is providing the complete course including the free online classes also, guys. So here I will give you the complete details regarding that one. So first of all, we will see what are the different subjects are providing by the Unacademy for the NTA UGC NET. Means commerce and general paper on teaching, management, computer science and application, political science, history, economics, practice and strategy, sociology, labor welfare, English, language and education, geography, law, Hindi, psychology, public administration, electronic science, environmental science, home science, and philosophy, tourism admin and management, mass communication and journalism, Sanskrit, Punjabi and anthropology. So these are the different subjects where the Unacademy is providing the courses, guys. Okay, and from each and every course you will get the free online classes as well as the paid courses also you will get. So I will show you how to access. Here the few top educators are there, guys, okay, which are going to give you the wonderful knowledge. Okay, and you can download the class PDFs also, okay, regarding the different subjects, okay, which will be very much helpful to you to crack the UGC NET JRF, guys. And coming to my profile, okay, so myself I am Ashwani Kumar, as I already told you, educator of electronic science as well as the general paper 1. So it is my profile link. Okay, so whatever the subject you belongs to, just click on that one and then you will be directed to that particular subject educator's profile link. And if you scroll down, you will get the special classes. Okay, the special classes are completely free, guys, that anybody can able to access this one. And just click on the see all. Whatever the free classes or the special classes I did up to now, okay, you can able to access all the special classes. So actually here I did the special classes on the, free classes on the general paper 1 as well as the electronic science previous year questions, okay, that you may check down here one by one. And whatever the interesting or else whatever your needed topic is there, okay, just click on that one and then you will be directed to the video, guys. So you will get like this, and if you click on this watch now, then you will be directed to the online classes. Okay, but before that one you have to create your account by providing the mail ID as well as your contact number. Fine. So to watch the special classes, it is completely free. You need not to pay any amount, guys. And if you want to get the complete course as per the UGC syllabus and each and everything, okay, which are helpful to crack your JRF, nothing but a paid courses. So here the two different types of subscriptions are there. One is the Plus subscription and second one is the Iconic subscription. And you may check down the difference here. In the Plus subscriptions, you will get the, almost you will get the India's best educators are there in the Unacademy. Okay, you will be provided with doubt clarifying sessions also, interactive live classes, and you can download the PDFs and the live test and the quizzes. And coming to the Iconic subscription, interactive live classes, PDFs and the live test and quizzes, just as like the Plus. Apart from this one, you will get the personal coach and personalized doubt solving and preparatory study material, SOP, and the interview preparation. Okay, so all these things you will get additional in the Iconic subscriptions. Okay, so while coming to the Plus subscriptions, okay, we will see the different plans here. You may check down, guys, the different plans. For 1 month 2,900, and for 3 months 2,823, and for 6 months, okay, these are the charge for 1 month, and if you want to get the 6-month subscription plan, you have to pay 11,250, and for 12 months 13,750, and for 24 months 20,000. Okay, so depending upon your requirement, you may take any one of the subscription plan here. Okay, if you want the 3 months, or else if you want the 6 months, or else if you want the 12 months. Okay, so based upon when you are planning to write the exam, okay, so based upon that one, you may take any one of the subscription plans here. And out of this different subscription plans, you will get some discount also. So it is my referral code ASWINIK. So use my referral code and then click on the apply and then proceed to pay. Then you will get the 10% discount on any one of these subscription plans. Okay. So the subscription link as well as my profile link, both these two I will put in the description box of this video, guys.